Now that we're done botting them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. You also want to make sure this is about an inch so you can spread the blend. Using your lever all the way closed the midway will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, you're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Remember to use your opposite hand to stretch the skin to give you more space when blending. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now that we're done with our lower guards, we can move on to the top and debulk with the 4 guard all the way closed. Now that we're done debulking the top, we can move on to our 2 guard all the way open and create our 4th guideline. Remember, we're going to soften up the line with the lever, using the same guard. Now that we're done softening up the line, we could go ahead and switch over to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Sometimes after using this guard, there's still a little bit of a faint line, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open and using its corners will help. Now I'm switching over to my clipper over comb method and we're vertically blending and horizontally debulking. Remember to grab the hair with the comb and tilt it at a certain degree, whichever is needed. Now we're moving on to the 3 guard all the way open, and this is going to help us blend into the 4 guard on top. Now I'm going back to my previous guards and I'm detailing as much as I can. Before we start lining him up, we're going to debulk his hairline with the clipper over comb method. There are some very dark areas in his hairline, so I'm just lining them up. Now that we're done debulking the hairline, we can move on to our GTX and make them as crispy as possible. I always like to start off in the middle and work my way to the sides. Now that we're done lining up his beard, we can move on to the hairline and prepare our Turkish razor with our Derby Premium blades. You always want to make sure you stretch the skin as much as possible, and also keep your blade at a 45-degree angle so you don't cut your client. We're also going to be doing his eyebrows. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you leave a comment down below, I will reply to it, so don't be afraid. You also want to make sure you go against the grain in the cheek area just so the beard line can pop out.